guys, today is hopefully going to be a big video. Today we're going to be going to check out another bike. And yeah, obviously I already have a bike, but this one's a 600 and I happened to find a really good deal on a 1000 yesterday. So hopefully I'm going to go buy a 1000 in like an hour, which will be pretty sick if it goes through. And then I'll show you guys what bike it is. But yeah, my friend's about to come pick me up and then go check it out, and hopefully I'll come back and there'll be 2 bikes in the garage. So I'll see you guys if I buy the bike. So it has been a few days since that last clip, but we did go check out the bike, and whew, it was so clean. It was probably the cleanest bike. Yeah, it was probably the cleanest bike I've ever seen, at least from that year. It's a 21-year-old bike and it looks beautiful. But I've already said too much. I'm not going to tell you guys what the bike is until it is back here in the garage next to the R6. But we are going to go pick it up today. We also did a small upgrade to the R6. We added in some carbon fiber fairings since one of them flew off, and they look quite fire. Yeah, I am super excited to go pick up this 1000, so I just gotta wait on James to come pick me up, and then we're gonna head down there and I'm gonna come back on a 1000. So let me know if you guys know what it is in the comments, but I'm not gonna tell you guys until after the bike is in our possession. So yeah, let's get going. I'm excited. Alright, we are back home and we have acquired the bike, and it's crazy. It's crazy. So without further ado, let me introduce you guys to my new 2004 CBR 1000 RR. So yeah, this is my new 2004 CBR 1000 RR, and god damn, it is mint. These are all OEM fairings. The paint looks immaculate. There's a few little scuffs, but overall, fire. It does have this aftermarket exhaust from Yoshimura type shit. But besides that, it's all OEM and looks beautiful. And yeah, this is a 1000, so it's definitely a big upgrade from the R6 over there. But I could handle it, and this shit's crazy, so I need to show you guys how crazy this is. So let's go for a ride. Alright. First ride. CBR 1000. Well, first ride for you guys, not the first ride for me. But this thing is crazy. You guys are about to see that. It's a little crazier than that R6 over there. I still love my R6, and I'm definitely not going to sell my R6. But this bad boy is definitely a bit faster. It's crazy, man. I love it. I love it. Definitely very happy with the purchase. Funny, the person who's selling it to me didn't think I could handle it. They were like, "You're gonna ride it home? Are you sure?" It was like a mom that was selling it, like her ex-boyfriends or something. I don't know, but it was a really good deal. There's only 7,800 miles, which is pretty insane. 7,900 now. Riding it long ride back, but yeah, no, definitely a really good deal. Mint condition. I mainly bought it because I'm probably going to sell it. I'm going to sell it for more because it was just that good of a deal. But I also wanted to experience a 1000, so now I have. And I'm involved. Definitely, when I do sell it, I'm definitely going to buy another 1000. I really want an R1 still, but this CBR 1000 is pretty fucking sick. I really like it, so I'm definitely going to use it for a bit and have some fun with it. Alright, back road time. Yeah. That's like no drama.
that we can really do a pull on. But like, holy fuck, bro. It's just crazy. I will say I haven't been able to wheelie it yet. I don't know. Something about when it revs up. Like, look. Like, normally that's when I'd wheelie. But I don't know what that's doing. I don't like it. But it's not wheeling. Maybe I gotta rev it up more, but I'm kind of scared to rev this up more. I feel like it should pop up with just that little blip. So, I don't know. Maybe I should look it up. They probably have things. I know that some thousands have like things to like limit you from wheeling. Because, to be fair, when you speed up, you wheelie on them. Just saying. You're about to see that. But I'll show you what more of a full send is like. Alright, we gotta be in front of this car, so. Alright, you ready? Back right here. Maybe I'll keep going straight. It's just pretty fun. Gonna ride around a little longer. But I can't clutch up on this thing, which is also weird. Like, why can I power wheelie but I can't clutch up, you know? doesn't feel like much different from the R6 as far as handling goes. It's definitely bigger, it's definitely heavier. But like it handles like a motherfucker still. I like it. I love it. I want some more. Love it, bro. Fuck, dude. You got me smiling and shit. I haven't smiled in a while. Oh, that's so fucking sad. I can't stop you though. It does some like scary shit when I try to stop you. I'm not gonna demonstrate because I almost crashed earlier trying to stop you. So I don't know what's going on there either. Probably like ABS. Whatever that is. Oh man. Traffic. Dude, this is fucking crazy. I don't stop for that. Dude, this thing's so fast. Oh, it sounded really good too. I'm not gonna rev it all the way up. I forgot about revving it. I think I might spit some little baby flames. I don't know. But yeah, that shit was gas. That's probably the hardest I've ridden it so far. Sort of. So yeah, what do you guys think of the new CBR? I love it. I think it's fucking sick. So let me know what you think of it down below in the comments. But I think that's gonna wrap up the video. Don't really have anything else. Make sure to look out for more content on the CBR, the R6, the Mustang, and the Integra. Because we're going to be building all these. We're not going to be doing too much to the CBR, but we'll definitely be making some riding vlogs in this thing because this thing's a fucking monster. It's fucking crazy. I love it. Yeah, that's about it. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.
Get my bread, then I get my head, then I get my clothes. Yeah, bullets in his head, shouldn't have been a